Hi guys, this is Shiva Reddy. Welcome to the Gantter overview session. In this session, I am going to explain you at high level of Gantter how you can use this software to scheduling the projects. So in order to access the Gantter, first you need to go to any browser and search for Gantter for Google Drive. Then you will have a couple of options here. Then what you need to do is you need to access the URL Gantter for Google Drive Smart App. So access this URL. Now when you opening this URL, you will prompt into it will prompt you to enter your Gmail credentials. So first you need to enter those Gmail credentials. Then it is going to navigate into this Gantter for Google Drive project software homepage, like this page. In this page you can see at high level what are the components it is having in the Gantter project. Now what you need to do is in this session I am going to go through the all the components that it has, and in the next couple of tutorials we can see in detail about the each component. So here we have a project. So this project tab will help you to create a new project, or if you already having any templates, you can go ahead and select these templates. And also, if you want to open already created project, if it is there any if there is already stored in the Google Drive, then you can go ahead and select those files from the Google Drive. And if you while working the project, if you already save some files to the your local, then you can import local grant file and import them from a MS project. If you already created a project from the Microsoft project plan, then you can import from here. And also here the properties will describe about the project. So we will show you in detail about how to create a project with the basic things. And then you can see you can have a printable format or a PNG format or even HTML format, and even you can save to the Google Drive. And if you want, you can make a copy of it and publish as a template, so that next time onwards you don't need to create from the scratch, and you can use this one as a template. And if we want to export as a local grant file, you can do, and export as a MS Microsoft project plan compatible format, you can export. And these are the high level at the project view level. And if you see views, so you can change at any point of time these view changes, so that those columns will be appear in these sessions. Okay, so we will look into all those aspects in the next tutorial. And you will have an action tab where you can adjust your tasks, and while assigning the resources or the task properties, you can go and do some operations using these actions. And if you want any help, you can go ahead and take the help. And also it provides the auto save on or off. So by default, if you want to save whatever the changes you are doing this for this project plan, then automatically it will be saved to the Google Drive. But if you don't want, and if you want to explicitly save, then you can mark this auto save as a off. And at basically if you see at the task level, so tasks are nothing but the each individual assignment or the task which is assigned to a particular resource. So basically the entire project you are going to divide into the small tasks, and each task is responsible for one resource, and where you need to specify what is the effort and how much time it is going to start, and based on the start and end time. So those things you are going to specify for the task. And resources basically gives you you need to list down the all the people who are working on this project. And these resources will be allocated to the task. And calendars basically provides you about the information of format, whether it is a 24 by 7 or the night shift or only specific duration. So that information you can find in the calendars. For example, if I see here standard and 24 hours night shift. And the next one is the risks. Risk basically when you are working with the project, you can identify some potential risk, if it might be causing the project deliverables delay or some impact on the project, then you can go ahead and list down those risks here. Okay, so at high level, so this is the overview of the Gantter. And if you see here, on the first session, you are going to see all the tasks list down things. Here we are going to enter all the tasks, and if you see on the left side, you can see there are sorry, on the right side you have see the calendar, which is going to specify, you are going to visible the calendar. So what it is going to do is, whenever you enter a particular task here, then automatically the graphical representation of the that particular task, when it should start and end date, it is going to give you in a high overview of the status, and who is responsible doing what. So from this they can easily track the scheduling part of the particular resource, when he has started the work, and what is the duration he wants to end it. So it is going to give you a simple representation of your project task completion status. Hope you are clear with this thing, and in the next tutorial we will see it in detail about the each component. Thanks for watching.